Hello, welcome back to Salesforce Dealer. In a previous lecture, we have talked about how to create the models and how to model access. So now in this lecture, we will talk about the connect to the Django with the MySQL database. So how to connect your Django with the MySQL database? Here is a step-by-step procedure that you have to follow. So now if you want to get more information about the Django connectivity with the database, so you can also switch to our website. The website is the www.salesforcedealer.com. After the opening the page, click on the Learn Python section. It's After that, click on Connect Django with MySQL. Okay, guys. So what you have to need for the connectivity with the Django with the MySQL. First, you have to install the MySQL community server for that. Then second step, so install pip install MySQL connector, which is already installed in my system. So now you can see. So now pip install MySQL client. So requirement already satisfied because I'm already download this software. So now the third thing is that so open the project. So Django, so admin. So now I will create this project in the desktop area. So now so Py so Django admin start project. So my pro. So cd my pro cd my pro. So now what we have to do, start app. So my app. So okay, now it is my project. So open the Sublime. So now open the project and setting. So first what we have to do, install my app. It's my app. Okay, save it. Now open the MySQL. Create any create suppose I have to create a database. So database in name is MyPro. Suppose it is my database name. So MyPro1. Okay. So now you can see my database successfully created. Now what we have to do, so here is a SQLite 3. So change with the MySQL. So remove this. So now type this command. Now I am going to type some command. So let's see. So first is the name of the database. So what is your database name? So it's my pro1. Okay, so now next is that is a user. So what is my user? So my user is root. Okay, so my username is root. So now the password. So type your username in this tutor. It's configured as a root, so I am entering this. So what's the password of my database? 1234 is my password of my database. So okay, now type the host. The host is my host is the local host. Okay, so now it's a port address. Okay, so port. So it is a my port address is 3306. It is my default port address which is provided with the MySQL. So now save it. So now what we have to do, so Python, so manage.py, make migration. Now what we have to do, so make migration. So no data access in this. So let's Python the manage.py. So it's time to get the migrate. So now you can see my migration is successfully start. So let's see, open the MySQL and check that it is created or not. So use my pro one. So select start from no so table only. So tables. So now you can see it is a table which is created by the Django. Authentication of the group permission user group. So here you can see it is a it is a, all the content which is created on my MySQL database. So this is the technique of the connect your MySQL with your database. So that's it for this session, guy. I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you for my watching video. Thank you, guys.